Now, before the opening bell, futures consolidating after being under pressure yesterday. European markets under pressure. Asian indices on the downside, all as 79% of S&P 500 constituents traded lower or unchanged. Now, after hours, Apple under pressure in pre-market as fears continue to grow about demand for its iPhone 14 handsets after a key supplier said it expects orders to drop due to weak demand. Microsoft and Nintendo agreeing to a 10-year deal to bring Call of Duty to Nintendo gaming platforms. The agreement does depend on Microsoft closing its $69 billion acquisition of Activision Blizzard. And Morgan Stanley cutting 2% of its workforce, 1,600 jobs as rivals see slowdown in business. Morgan Stanley having over 80,000 employees at the end of the third quarter. Now, today there's no major earnings expected, but on the economic docket before the opening bell, we do have the release of the NBA 30-year mortgage rate. We also have the release of third quarter non-farm productivity and consumer credit in the afternoon. Taking a look now at the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees its key resistance 3960. The Nasdaq sees its key resistance 11,670. As long as the resistance at that figure is not surpassed, the risk of a break below 11,480 remains high. Short positions below that figure are favored with targets at 11,480 and 11,380 in extension. The Dow Jones sees its key resistance 33,730.